All right, guys, so working on the Element today. Gonna be cleaning up the dashboard, but one thing I wanted to show, yesterday I took it to the car wash, and I actually got down really close to the surface, and I got a lot of that compound out. So if you look at that compared to that, it's a nice difference. So it has like some dents in it, but I'm not really worried about it. But that just looks like straight up paint failure, not really like rock chips or anything. But yeah, so that looks bad, but I'm gonna do the whole thing over right there. Too bad I don't actually have a pressure washer, or else I could actually spend my time taking everything out. But yeah, it's a good thing that there's some improvement in that. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be taking off this bezel. I'm gonna be taking off this panel right here, trying to go inside of that vent just to clean it out with just a microfiber and fresh water and some degreaser. And gonna be taking this out, and this thing is so filthy inside there. And gonna try and take out that one and just clean up a lot of this filth right here as much as possible. It's kind of cold today, so I'm not gonna really paint, but I'm gonna end up painting this right here black. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with a matte or satin or a like gloss, because I think a gloss will look pretty cool, modern, but then again, I don't like the reflection of the sun, so I might go with like more of a dull finish, and I'll just match up these right there. But yeah, so let me get started, and yeah, first gotta pull this off right here. All right, so from what I've seen people do, they pull this off, kind of looks like it's already kind of separated. No. Okay, there we go. Let me see, it's not even that difficult. Sometimes it could be a pain. Okay, well, I guess take this off. Oh no, wait. Nope. There we go. All right, well, let me get this off. This is like probably the first time it's ever been taken off. All right, so if you're planning to take this off, take it off this way, because it has that lip right there that goes in like that, and then it pushes in like that. So do it that way, because that is not going to come off the way it's tucked in there like that. So yeah, so there's that screw right there, and then this should pop right out. But this has never been taken out, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna fight me to the end, but we'll see. Let me see, got a little stubby. All these little hidden fasteners and clips. All right, so, oh, that wasn't even that bad. Okay, thought I was gonna like break my back. Oh man, all right, so there you go. Just like that. This is gonna clean them nicely and help reduce that odor that I have. What is this? 72804. Then I have this, and look at how filthy that is right there. So basically, yeah. All right, too bad I don't have no polish. I could have polished this nicely, but I could do that later on. But I gotta pull off this again. But yeah. Let me turn on the light. Let's see in there. All right, so that doesn't look too bad, but yeah, still gonna clean up all in here and everything. It's gonna be like a pretty detailed job. I'm not gonna take these off, it's cool. If I ever do change the color, I'll have to eventually, but yeah. All right, so got it a little bit better looking. Looks pretty good in there. Yeah, pretty filthy, but it's coming back nicely. I actually never even seen it this nice right here inside this little pocket. There's a little bit more to go, but yeah, that's more like not gonna come off. But and then there's all that in there, but you don't really see that when that's on, when this is on. So I think I'm just gonna go a little bit more around and call this side good. And up here under the sunlight, it's pretty brown and dingy, so like a lot of dirt is embedded in here. So I want to try to use the degreaser as much as possible up here just to strip it, and then I could use some type of protectant, like UV protectant down the line. But for now, I'm just trying to make everything as bare and clean as possible. All right, so just pull this piece off right here, and luckily it's in good condition. Those vents are just pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna end up hosing them off. There's really no way to get in there good, but yeah. And this is the stuff I'm using. It's pretty diluted. It's that LA's Totally Awesome. Gotta dilute that stuff if you're working on plastic, pretty sure. And yeah, so it's a good thing I'm getting to this vent, and just gonna continue all the way down. Definitely gonna try and take this off, but yeah, let me see. I wonder how this comes off. Usually there's some type of fastener right here, but I'll figure it out. And then because I want to take this off and clean as much under there, and I know that like down in there it's pretty filthy right there. So yeah, just want to make it look fresh. It's all in the detail. Literally a minute later, so that goes there. Pop out the button, reveals 2 screws, comes right off. And then from there, this will come out. Pretty sure there's like some type of clip. Yeah, finally got this piece out, and that's what I basically was looking at the whole time. So yeah, so finally getting this all sorted out. Next is that spot right there, and should be good. All right, and just like that, finally got it all clean. And this piece right here, that shiny piece of metal, it was all dingy and looked corroded at first, but it came out really nice. And yeah, it's gonna polish up nice, the nice dry rag, but this is much better. So yeah, so gotta clean that center console piece, or I guess what is it, climate control. And that piece, I'm just gonna end up taking that switch out and dunking all this stuff in there. Man, that's filthy. Well, I guess I'm gonna get fresh water and work my way over, and finally I could pop this thing back on. But at a later date, I am going to paint it pretty nice. All right, pretty cool that this actually comes off, so I could actually dunk this in the water, keep it there for a while. All right, so there it is right there. These vents are kind of hard to adjust, so hopefully it kind of frees up too with this, but let this soak up a little bit. This too. looks better already. I didn't even have to scrub it or anything. So I'm gonna do the same to everything else right here and be done with this. All right, so got this stuff looking basically new. No more dust or anything. This came out pretty good. That looks nice. Yeah, that basically took out most of it. And they did free up a little bit, so that's good. Nice. I guess it was just so much dirt. All right, so gonna dry these up and reassemble. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna reinstall everything in reverse order. And yeah, it's gonna all come together. And one thing I did notice when I just cleaned this vent ducting right there, there's some water. I think it'll all dry out. I think it's good. And there's really not a lot of dirt and grime inside the ducting itself. So I'm pretty sure the majority of the odor is from the actual, that wheel down there, the hamster wheel, and all that box down there. So, and there's a little bit right here of like just surface dust, but I don't think that's really causing my issue with the odor. So most likely it's coming from down there. So that's kind of a good thing that I don't really have to pull these ductings out or anything. All right, guys, so putting everything together looks extra crispy and nice. There we go. Just got to put the knob, I guess, this piece, and yeah, that's it. Can't forget to plug this in, but yeah, freaking awesome. Still not even done. It's more filth on that side. All right, guys, so driver's side done. Now it's this side, and yeah, so this is basically the stuff that, you know, the majority of people won't even, you know, post on YouTube, but I post it because why not? And yeah, it's all about, oh wait, actually, yeah, there we go. Got to clean that up. That goes right there. But yeah, guys, so doing stuff like this actually motivates me. Well, I'm pretty sure, you know, everybody who posts on, you know, YouTube and stuff, this stuff gets the ball rolling, and you know, it's like a snowball effect just to keep recording, and recording brings progress, and progress is just great, you know, because your work reflects. But yeah, so gonna clean this side, and then actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up cleaning a lot of the headliner and go back there, those grab handles right there, pretty filthy, and just go all around and clean up as much as possible up here. But yeah, well, and by the way, guys, I had this mirror. It's called Kit Best, I don't know, but this actually has to be the best upgrade I've put on the car, on the Element so far. The standard one, super small, and it just barely views out the back window, like, but putting this one on, you could actually see. Okay, so like, look it right there, there's me, you see the window, and then now you put this one on, and now look at that. Like, you could see so much clearer, so much more. It's much more better in person, but this actually saved my behind from merging on the freeway. I could see all the blind spots and everything, and it's totally great. This right here, the spring doesn't work, so that kind of sucks. I gotta find one of these in the junkyard. I don't know if I should just replace the spring or just get the whole console, but yeah. And as you guys know, I put that LED. Those are pretty nice, but I really want to get this thing going, but really never used it because once I lock it and everything, it just doesn't, can't open it. But yeah, so. All right, guys, so got the side out. Same thing as the other, except you have 2 fasteners on the bottom right there. And you can see how grimy that is. And yeah, so one right there, one right there. Pull this panel off, one right there, and comes right off. So this actually doesn't look too bad, kind of cool. Just gonna dunk this in some water, get out all of that, and make it look super fresh. But yeah. All right, guys, so that's the little video. Finally got everything together. All I have to do is just find a good, you know, type of UV protection just to make this a little bit more glossier, nicer. But yeah, and darken it up a little bit, but it definitely looks a whole lot better than it did. And in there, it's still kind of drying and stuff, but that awesome kind of turned it a little bit grayish, the black. But yeah, I just gotta find a good product. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be the little video. If you want to see more little projects like this, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and any suggestions for the little build and stuff, let me know. And any suggestions for you know, on what I should do, let me know. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.